Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is our second video on the same exercise 1.1. In this video, we are going to study about power set, question number 3. And question number 4, complement of a set. So, first of all, we will learn what is power set. Power set of a set is a set of all the subset of a set. If we have a set X containing element X, Y, Z, then power set is all the possible subset of set X. How many sets will be there? The total number of elements in set X is 3. 1, 2, 3. And the total possible subset out of the set will be 2 is to power n. N means number of elements. Number of elements is 1, 2, 3. So 2 is to power 3. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 is to 2, 4. 4 is to 2, 8. It means there are possible subset are 8. It means total possible subset will be 8. Okay, now we will solve. X is equal to X, Y and Z. We have to write power set like this. Power set of set X. The first set will be the null set. And then we will have one element in each set like X and then Y and then Z. X, Y and Z. Then we will have two elements in each set XY, XZ and YZ. Then we will have three elements in each set X, Y and Z. Now we will count the all subsets of a set X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we will close the curly bracket. So there is the required power set. Now we will solve question number 2, which is A is equal to plus, minus, multiply and divide. So we have 4 elements in set A. It means 2 is to power n, 2 is to power 4. 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 2 is to 2, 4. 4 is to 2, 8. 8 is to 2, 16. It means so possible subsets are 16. So we will write power set of set A. The first set will be the null set, as you know. And we have one element in each set. Plus, minus, multiply, divide. Then we will have two elements in each set. Plus, minus, plus, multiply, plus, divide. Then we will take minus. Minus multiply, minus divide, then multiply divide. Then we will have three elements in each set. Plus, minus, multiply, plus, minus, divide, then minus, multiply, divide, plus, multiply, divide, and then in last we will have 4 elements in each set. Plus, minus, multiply and divide. Now we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we will close our curly bracket. This is our required power set of set A. Now we will solve question number 4. Find the complement of the following set with respect to the universal to the set. So, complement set. Complement set is actually a set of element in the universal set other than the given set. In this question we have universal set and question number 1 is A. So we have to find the complement of set A. So universal set, complement set of the set will be represented as A dash, like A dash. This is the set of whole number. A is a set of whole number. It is also called A complement, or we will also call A complement. So universal set have all the even numbers less than or equal to 20. So all the elements from universal set which are not there in set A will be there is called complement, like U minus A is equal to A complement, yeah, A dash. So we will solve question number 1, A complement. We have a formula U minus A. So we will write universal set U have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 minus A. In A set we have 0, 1, 2 and 3. We have to cut the same element from universal set. So we will cut the same element. 0 is same, so we will cut 0, and 2 is same, so we will also cut 2. The remaining element from universal set is called the A complement. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 is called the A complement. This is our answer. Now we will solve question number 2. B is equal to 6, 8, 10, 12. So we have to solve and we have to find the B complement. So we will apply the formula of complement, which is B complement is equal to U minus B, or U minus B is equal to B complement. हम इसको इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं और इस तरह से भी. So we will solve B complement. U, so we have to write the set of universal set U 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 minus B set 6, 8, 10, 12. Now we will cut the same element. 6 is same in both elements, both sets, so we will cut 6, 8, 10, 12. These all elements are same, so we will cut this same element, and the remaining element of a universal set is called a B complement. B complement is 0, 2, 4, 14, 16, 18 and 20. This is our B complement. So you have to solve remaining element or remaining question by yourself. Till then, take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz.